Namaste children, welcome to our EVS session now. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Good, very good. Shall we start now? Okay. Now this is our class 1. Subject is EVS lesson 3, my neighborhood. Okay. My neighborhood pictures. Then last class we saw about the few people. Now we are going to see about the other remaining people about who are our helping us. Okay, helping us. Okay. Now who is he? Can you able to see this picture? Yes, he is an electrician. 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 See, when we are having any problem or repairs in our electrical items, this man will come and help us. Okay, a person, person, a person who, who, fits, fits, and and repairs, repairs, electrical, electrical, wires, wires, and switches, switches. Okay, a person who fits and repairs electrical wires and switches. If there is any problem in the electrical wires, that like switch, light, wire, like this, if any problem, this person will come and repairs and fits. Okay, have you all seen an electrician? Yes, he used to come to our house for fitting the lights and switches and all. He used to come. If there is any problem in the electrical thing, he will come and get it right. Okay, next one, who is he? He's doing something with the vehicles. Okay, yes, good. Is the person called mechanic. Mechanic is a person called mechanic. Okay, mechanic is a person. A person, person, a person. Who, repairs, 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 and maintenance, maintains. A person who repairs and maintains. vehicle, vehicle. engine is engines, vehicle engines, and other, other. machin is machines. Okay, a person who repairs and maintains vehicle engines and other machines. Okay, a person, if there is any problem in the vehicle engine, we'll go to the mechanic shed. We will leave our vehicle. It may be a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. The person will take care of it and he will repairs and he will maintain that. Okay, the other machines, that only vehicle engines and other machines, he will be taking care of that. Okay children, super. Next, who is he? Daily, when the school is there, will be daily, will be coming only with them. Yes, he is a driver. Okay, driver, driver. A person, person, a person who drives, is a drives a vehicle, vehicle, vehicle. Our school driver, when he is driving a school bus, he is called a school bus driver. When he is driving any car, he is a car driver. Auto, auto driver. Bus, bus driver. Like this, there are many vehicles. Those who are riding that vehicles, they are called as it is with the vehicle name. Okay. Driver is a person who drives a vehicle. There are many vehicles. Lorry driver, bus driver, okay, auto driver. Like this, many drivers are there. Okay. Next, who is she? Yes, she is a person who helps in our house. Good. HOUSE, house. HELP, help. House, help. Okay. A person, WHO, who. HELPS, helps. CLEAN, clean. ROOMS, clean rooms. WASH, wash. VESSELS, vessels. and CLOTHES, cloths. In a house, HOUSE, house. See, now house will be keeping the maid, no? Like that, she is the house help. One who helps to clean the rooms. See, our rooms and all will be cleaned by this person and wash the vessels. And she will also wash the clothes, okay, in the house. She is called as house help. She is called as house help. Okay, children, she is called as house help. Okay, next. Oh, who is he having the stethoscope on his head? Okay, he's sorry, in his neck he is having the stethoscope. Okay, doctor, doctor. Who is he? doctor, doctor. A person who treats, treats, treats the sick, sick, people, sick people. A person who treats the sick people. Good. When we are not well, we will go to the hospital. Where the doctors will be? They will be in the hospital. A person who treats the sick people, he is called as a doctor. Okay. Next. Who is he? SWEEPR, sweeper. He is a sweeper. He'll be having a broom in his hand. He'll be sweeping the place and keeping the place clean. Okay. A person, WHO, who sweeps, SWEEPS, sweeps and cleans, CLEANS, cleans the streets. A person who sweeps and cleans the street. Okay. He's called as sweeper. He's called as sweeper. A person who sweeps and cleans the street. Okay. He'll be cleaning the street. Okay. He'll make our street clean. Okay. In the morning, in the evening and all, they used to clean the street. Okay. Next. Who are they? Security guard. SECURITY. Security. GUARD. Security guard. Okay. Security guard. Okay. A person who protects. 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 BUILDINGS. Buildings. And PEOPLE. People. You can see those people in the apartments. They used to protect the buildings. Yes. The person who protects the buildings and people, they'll be protecting them. Okay. They are the security guard. Next. See, he is a person. He is having many tools. He is having some wooden object. Yes, he is called as CAR, car, PEN, pen, TR, ter, carpenter. He is called as carpenter. Okay, a person who makes, MAK is makes, and repairs, REPAIR is repairs, WOODN wooden, OBJECTS objects. A person who makes and repairs the wooden objects. See, like chairs, furnitures, like this. If there is any repair or to make new things, make any new wooden objects, he is the person who will do that. He is called as carpenter. He is called as carpenter. Okay. Next. PLUMBR, plumber. He is called as plumber. If there is any problem in the taps and all pipes, a person who fits, 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 and repairs, REPAs, repairs pipes and TAPS, taps. Okay, a person who fits and repairs the pipes and taps. If there is any problem in the sink pipe or the taps, he will comes and fits and repairs that pipes and taps and all. He is called as plumber. He is called as plumber. PLUMBR, plumber. Next, who is she? Yes, NURSE, nurse. She is called as nurse. NURSE, nurse. A person who takes care of the a person who takes care of the sick. A person who takes care of the sick people. Okay, she'll be along with the doctor. She'll be along with the doctor. A person who takes care of the sick people. She is called as nurse. NURSE, nurse. Next is, yes. Teacher. TEACHER, teacher. One who is teaching you is also a teacher. Okay. She is a person who teaches. Who teaches you? She is called as a teacher. Okay. She'll be in the school. She'll be teaching you and she'll be giving you more knowledge. Okay. Now, who is he? SOLDIR, soldier. Who is he? Soldier. He is a soldier. A person who protects, PROTEC, it is protects the country, 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 and serves, SERVES, serves in an army. A person who protects the country and serves in an army, he is called as a soldier. They'll be guarding, they'll be protecting our country from the enemies. Yes, they'll be working in the army. They are called as army people. They are called as soldier. Good. Next is a person called WAITER, waiter. Has person called waiter. A man whose job he is that job is there. Waiter is to serve, CUSTOMS, customers at their tables, tables in a restaurant, RESTAURANT, restaurant. He is a person who comes nearest to our table and asks what do you want, and he'll be serving us. Okay, his job is to serve the customers at their tables. Okay, where you all have seen him? In the hotels. Good. In the hotels, restaurants, we can see him. He will come and serve us. Okay, next, for this, by relating all this person, you have to solve this activity. Okay, solve the solve the CROSS, crossword, with the help of the clues given. See, already I taught you about these persons fully. See, all the persons are here. A person who fits and repairs electrical wires and switches. Who is he? A person who fits and repairs electrical switches. He is an, yes, he is an electrician. Good. A person who drives a vehicle. Who is he? He is a driver. Okay. A person who repairs and maintains vehicle engines and other machines. Who is he? He is a mechanic. Super. A person who cleans rooms, wash vessels and clothes in our house. Who is he? So it's a two-letter word. With the help of this, you have to complete everything. Two-letter word is a house help. She's a house help. A person who sweeps and cleans the streets. Sweeper. Good. A person who takes care of the sick. Who will be taking care of the sick? Who is he? Yes. Yes, she is a nurse. Good. A person who protects the buildings and people. Two-letter word. It's a security guard. See, here two-letter words. House help. Here security guard. A person who makes and repairs wooden objects. Okay, who is he? Carpenter. Good. A person who fits and repairs the pipes and taps. He's a plumber. Good. A person who treats the sick people. See, here takes care is nurse. Who treats is doctor. Okay. A person who teaches is a teacher. Good. A person whose job is to serve customers at their tables in a restaurant. Who is he? Waiter. Good. A person who protects the country and serves in an army. He is a soldier. So, like this, we have given you the people's name. See, by this, you have to solve this activity. Okay. See, soldier, carpenter, mechanic, doctor, nurse, teacher, driver, house help, security guard, plumber, electrician, sweeper, waiter. They have given you all these person's name. You have to write accordingly. See, soldier. Soldier, where is the number one soldier? A person who protects, a person who protects buildings and people. See, number one, a person who protects buildings and people. Who is he? See, two-letter word. It's a two-letter word. Security guard. See, where is security guard? Where is number one here? Have to check it. Where is number one here? Check it. Where is number one? Yeah, here. See, it starts with the letter S. You have to write SECURITY. Security G-U-A-R-D, security guard. What is number 2? Where is number 2? A person who fits and repairs the electrical wires and switches. Where is number 2? Electrician. Electrician, electrician. Number 3, a person who makes and repairs wooden objects. Wooden objects, who is he? Carpenter. Where is number 3? Where is number 3? We have to check the number 3. 3. Carpenter. Okay, see down. They have given you the clue also. Across means in the horizontal direction. Down means it should come below. Down. Okay. Next, number 5. See here. Number 4. A person who fits and repairs pipes and taps. Where is number 4? Where is number 4? We can see. Yeah, yes, 4. Plumber. You have tried the spelling plumber. Number 5, a person who drives a vehicle. Who is he? Driver. See number 5, driver. You have tried the spelling D-R-I-V-R, driver. Number 6, a person who treats the sick people. Who treats the sick people. See here 6, doctor. You have to spell D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Number 7, a person who teaches. Who's a teacher? Teacher. Teacher. You have tried the spelling T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Number 8, a man who job is to serve at their tables in a restaurant. 8th one. Where is the 8th one? Here you have to find out the 8th one. Where is 8th one? Waiter. W-A-I-T-E-R, waiter. Next, 9. Where is the 9th one? A person who repairs and maintains vehicle engines and other machines. He's a good mechanic. See here 9th one, mechanic. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C, mechanic. Next, 10th one you have completed. 11th one, a person who helps clean rooms and wash vessels and clothes in a house. 2-letter word. It's a house help. Super. Now 11th one, where is this? H-O-U-S-E-H-E-L-P, house help. 12th one, a person who sweeps and cleans the streets. Yeah, sweeper. S-W-E-E-P-R, sweeper. 13, a person who takes care of the sick people. 13, nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Okay. Like this, they have given you this activity. Everybody should complete this fully. Okay, children? Thank you, ma.